Hey family, how you are doing? Guess what's in the menu today? Yeah, it's Akara. So sit back and watch. So the holiday is finally here. So let's just be experimenting. The things I've not done for a while, I'm trying to bring them back. So today I'm going to be making Akara with these lovely beans. Isn't it amazing how you can have beans and from your beans you can get akara, you can get moi moi, you can get degiri soup, you can get a lot of things from the brown beans. And besides, it's so nutritious, it's packed, it's full of nutrients. So I washed the beans and this was it. Normally I'm not a good beans washer, but today these beans I washed it and I was proud of the job I did. Yes, I was proud of the job I did. So I decided to make some akara from motherland Africa. Guys, since I got my Swiss passport, I've just been having these mixed feelings. Even though I'm now a Swiss, I'm just having that feeling that no, I'm still my Niger. I don't want my Niger roots to leave me, and it will not leave me. So I'm intentionally digging up Niger content, yes, before I will get into that space of just start condemning Niger. No, Niger is the motherland. So I washed the beans, and this was the outcome. And I'm going to be blending the beans to make my akara. Thank you for my returning subscribers. Thank you for your massive support. Thank you for those that will be joining this page. You're welcome to the family. It's a happy place and a happy zone, like I always say. Yes. So if you're still watching and you have not subscribed, please try and subscribe and make sure you thumbs up the video. So these were the peppers I added. Just a bell pepper, one habanero pepper, and that long pepper. The long pepper is optional. I just added it because I had it in the fridge. So after boiling, that is what I came up with. It's so beautiful. I love the color even before frying. So at this time, I added my onions. I cut onions again. Apart from the onions I blended, I chopped some onions into the beans. I added my salt, a pinch of curry, and a little bit of Maggi, and started frying it. I didn't want to finish the beans before, but one of my husband's friends just said he's interested, so I made a lot because he came to join us for the evening, and it was fulfilling to share it. It was really fulfilling to share with him. So, what do you like eating your akara with? I love eating mine with bread and sometimes gari. Yes, the sour gari. I love eating it with sour gari at times. So frying this akara was just giving me vibe. It was just making me feel like, oh baby, you got this, because there were some time I fry akara and everything would just scatter in the oil. But today it wasn't bad at all. It was good, and I'm proud of what I did. So how are you spending the holiday? I have some video coming out. That was the outcome. So watch this space for vlogs coming out like never before. Holiday vlogs will be coming out on this video like never before. Make sure you thumbs up the video. Thank you to those that will share it. See you in my next video.